Barney. Barney's Thanksgiving. Early one Thanksgiving morning, the house was filled with yummy smells.
"We'll have lots of good things to eat when our company comes,"
said Barney. "I can't wait for my favorite dessert," said BJ. "Ay, ay, ay, pumpkin pie." BJ and Baby Bob helped Barney set the table. "Barney, what is Thanksgiving?" asked Baby Bob.
"It's the day we say thank you for things like friends and family,"
said Barney.
"And one way to say thank you is by sharing our nice meal."
Baby Bob looked at a hungry bird on the windowsill. "I wish we could share Thanksgiving with our animal friends," she said. "That's a great idea, Sissy," said BJ.
"It sure is,"
Barney agreed.
"We'll make a special Thanksgiving meal for them." "I'm thankful to the birds for their pretty songs,"
said Barney.
"So I'll give them some tasty seeds."
"I like the squirrel's funny tricks," laughed BJ. "I'll say thank you with some crunchy peanuts." Baby Bob poured some milk for the kittens. "This is to say thank you for purring," she giggled. "I play with the dogs every day," said BJ. "So I'm saying thank you with dog biscuits." "Thank you, bunnies, for showing us how to hop, hop, hop," said Baby Bob. "They'll love carrots for Thanksgiving," laughed BJ.
"I'm thankful for the deer and their quiet beauty,"
said Barney.
"I'll give them some nice hay to eat."
"I've got some fresh lettuce for this turtle," said BJ, "to say thanks for reminding me to slow down sometimes. And the fuzzy caterpillars remind me to dress warmly," said Baby Bob. "I'm saying thank you with some nice flower petals." Barney, BJ, and Baby Bob put all of the good things to eat on the picnic table.
"I think this looks like a super-duper Thanksgiving,"
said Barney.
"Now let's go inside for our Thanksgiving meal."
Ding dong, ding dong. The doorbell rang again and again, and every time the door opened, more friends had come to visit.
"This is my favorite part of Thanksgiving,"
said Barney. "Watching the animals eat makes me hungry," laughed Baby Bob. "Me too," said BJ. Inside the kitchen, the oven timer went tick, 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 ding. Barney carefully took something very special out of the oven. "Ay, ay, ay, my pumpkin pie," said BJ.
"It's time to eat,"
said Barney.
"Have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone."
And everyone did. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.